Hey my friends, it's Eric Rodriguez here with ReviewTheInside.com with another video in my series of what rich people are doing and what the poor people are not doing. So consider subscribing so you don't miss another video in the series. So what I want to get into and want to talk to you about is that poor people have a lottery mentality. What that means is that they hope and wish that they come across that quick, get rich, overnight system or push button, or they win the actual lottery with that one ticket. It's funny because a lot of people have that lottery mentality, but they don't do anything. They don't even play the lottery, but they're always in hopes of winning the lottery, which doesn't even make sense to me. That's how lazy some people are, that they just want an overnight success, and stuff doesn't work like that. Rich people have an action mentality. If they want something, they go out and get it. Simple as that. Don't be lazy. Get your ass off the couch. Stop watching TV. Stop being on social media, because I know you spend hours on social media. That's not making you money. Get your ass up and learn something. Learn a process. Get a mentor. Buy a product or course that is going to help you go to the next level and change your life. Because you sitting on that TV and just watching and being on social media, that's not gonna do nothing. That's not giving you money. Get your ass up. Do an action. Make action. Make something happen. Don't have that stupid lottery mentality where in hopes you just get lucky and you come across $1 million suitcase on the beach and all of a sudden you're rich. It's funny. People think that they're gonna win the lottery even though they're considering how little your percentage is as far as winning. You have a better percentage of getting struck by lightning, but yet that's their way to being rich. Man, it kills me sometimes, because I'm gonna be honest, I used to be like that, right? I used to be like that. I used to think that, man, if I just do a little bit here, a little bit there, I might be rich. You never know. Even playing the lottery. I played the lottery plenty of times. I go to Vegas. I play in the casinos thinking that, hey, I might win a lot of money. But that wasn't getting me nowhere. I was just spending money, losing money. No bueno. I changed my way of thinking like the rich. If I want something, I get up and I put action. I make stuff happen. If I want that Ferrari, I think about and I break it down. How am I going to get there? What are the steps? What do I have to learn? How much hours, how much time do I have to put in so I can get what I want? My father always taught me that if you want something, you got to get your ass and go get it, especially while you're young. My father always told me as well, while you're young, break your ass. Do everything that you can. Bust your ass. Do all the work that you can while you're young, so then when you're older, you could just sit back and breeze your balls. Because you don't want to breeze your balls now while you're young, and then when you're old, you don't have the same ability to work hard and do the things that you can do right now while you're young. So I hope you got value out of this. Give me a thumbs up if you do. If you have any questions, put it in the comments. But let's break it down and make sure that you know what I'm talking about. I hope this can change your life and push you over the edge so you could get your ass up, get some action, and make some money. If you want something, you want that big house, you want that car, you want to go on that vacation, break it down. Take a step back and think on, what do I have to do? How am I going to get there? What are the steps that I have to do, and what do I want to do? And I have to put action. Get your ass up and let's go. Make some money. This is what rich people are doing and poor people are not doing. They're hoping and wishing. Poor people are. And rich people are getting shit done. Point blank. So I hope you enjoyed this video series. Have a good day. Take care.